Welcome back to Home Garage, and in this video we're going to review two things: wheel torque on this 2022 Honda Civic Si and these wheel protector sockets. I needed to torque these lug nuts due to a repair, but when I went to torque them the first time, there seemed to be some confusion about the torque specs in many forums. So I called the Honda dealership and they checked their manuals and verified that it's 80 foot-pounds. Now, to ensure I don't scratch the powder coating on these newly repaired rims, I'm using this thin wall socket that has a durable outer sleeve to protect the rim from any further damage. Unfortunately, standard sockets can chew up your expensive rims during removal and installation. These are equipped with a synthetic polymer sleeve, so that protective sheath glides around your rim as you unscrew and tighten your lug nuts, leaving no scratches or signs of wear. They're great for painted, clear-coated, chrome, factory, and other wheel finishes. It's truly a must-have for the toolbox. And also note the sleeve extends past the socket. That way any mishap will likely make contact with the sleeve first and not the metal socket. And there you have it. This non-marring lug nut socket features a protective jacket that prevents scratches on aluminum or custom rims during service. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your Home Garage.